As YouTube content creators, we can sometimes get bogged down with complex ideas that will make our videos look better, when in reality, we need to go back to the basics. So today, I have a conversation with Michelle of LBC Branding, and she lets us know the 3 skills that she thinks are most important when you're working in Canva as a beginner.
One would be to know how to upload images and upload different things in Canva so that you can now start working on things for yourself.
Go over to the left-hand side to your Uploads tab. This is where you can upload things. And all you need to do is click Upload File, and you can actually upload something from your computer to Canva. For example, this. Some video files, images, audio will take longer to upload than others, but this is the generalized idea of how to do that. The other thing that you need to know is that you can click the 3 dots and you can send files from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, and Google Photos. So that's something to consider as well.
It's one thing to have, to work from a template, but in order to make your mark, see what I did there? In order to make your mark, you might have to have some stuff of your own. And so you gotta know how to upload your own stuff. Once you figure out like what you want to do, how to not mess it up. Okay, so like say for instance, if you're working on a project, before you change something, make a copy.
One way to make a copy and make adjustments without messing up your original copy is to click this little duplicate button to where then you can mess around with that second copy. The other thing that you can do is actually make a copy of the project. And let me show you what I mean. We're going to go into Home and into Projects. Okay. Let's say that I've got this file right here, and this file is essentially, it's the buttons for my Stream Deck, right? And let's say that I decided that I wanted to turn all of them pink instead of black. What I would do is go to File and create a copy, make a copy, and it will open up that same document and call it Copy of Elements. So then I can change all of this to be, let's say, red. What if I wanted them all red, or I wanted them all to have a gradient? Then I could change all the black. Let's change it across the board. So now all of them have that color. And I didn't mess up my original copy.
So know how to make copies. And then also, once you've done that, now how to download it so you could use it for something else.
Let's say that we've done all of that and now I want to download. All you need to download a file is to go to Share, and you can click Download. You can choose your file type. Anything else for this, I would just need all of those pages selected and can click Download, and all of these files will download for me.
In the next video, Jennifer is going to be talking about how to download multiple videos at the same time within Canva. Oh my goodness. And that is coming up on screen right now. So dive into that video so that you can do that for yourself. See you next time.